Since we've been on the subject lately, let's talk about stacking presets in CGX. It'll be a quick video, but I found that people don't seem to realize this is possible. And on top of that, we've been hearing some feedback from a few users about stacking presets, and we have some ideas for the future when it comes to that. But for now, here's what you need to know. Let's say you've gone using CGX and you've used the various options, whether it's 100% full random or you tweak exactly the parameters you want and you explore and find lots of different color grades that you think are really cool. And you save them as presets and you dig them and you double click this one. Here's muted and faded. Here's strong saturation, warm pop. You have all these cool presets that you like. Did you know that you could stack them? All right, so here's how to do it. Let's say you choose a simple con like I have on there now, right? It says CGX look over there. While you're on the layers palette, click away from the CGX layer folder, anywhere away, above or below, in this case, the background image, and then choose another one. See that? Now you get two of them, right? Click back to the background and go to color pop. Now you might think, okay, this is getting out of control. And I get that. But sometimes when you're exploring color, you use your own presets instead of generating new random ones. That could be an option for you, right? And then now you can even tuck away CGX and just play with these folders. Like for example, I'm going to highlight them all, capture them all, and I'm going to go to a 40% opacity. And that scales them all down, maybe even 50. And I can turn them on and off and see what looks I get. Now, is this the absolute only way to use CGX? Of course it's not. But while you're here, while you're exploring, and let's say you're not sure what an image needs, you can stack your presets and then play with opacity back and forth. You can always change each one, manually as well, but you can stack them. We're showing this on CMX2. We have new panels coming up that are going to have stacking functions, probably in a little bit more of a comprehensive way because people have been talking about it and we like it. I think it's a lot of fun. So there you go. Keep that in mind. We'll go over it one more quick time. Let's get rid of all of these. You can choose a preset, click away somewhere and choose another. And now they're stacked, and then you can play with the opacity of them until you dial in something that you like. Either both of them the same opacity or individual. So I can make this one, for example, 40%. And now I'm working on a look. And if you have a lot of presets, this is super fun. It's just a different way to surprise yourself and explore color in ways that you probably weren't thinking about.